Namaskar and welcome to Teaching Mantra. In my previous video, I have explained micro teaching skill of introduction in detail, and today I am going to explain how to make a micro lesson plan on the skill of introduction for maths. In this video, I will be explaining two types of plans. First, when the pupil teacher has to introduce his topic by demonstration method, and second, when the pupil teacher has to introduce the topic simply by asking the questions related to their previous knowledge. Now first of all, just have a look on the proforma. So this is the proforma of micro lesson plan on the skill of introduction. On the left hand side you will write subject and topic, and on the right hand side you will write class and date. You can also mention time and duration if your supervisor asks you to do so. In the introduction, whatever questions you will ask or whatever activities you will do, you will write it under the pupil teacher activities. And whatsoever answer or activities that are expected from the students, you will write under the students activities. After that, you will write the statement of aim, that is, today we shall study about so and so, whatever is your topic. Method 1. When you are using demonstration method. So now suppose you have to make a micro lesson plan for class 8th. The subject is maths and your topic is Pythagoras theorem. Now here you have to keep in mind that whatever activity you will do, you have to mention here in the plan in brackets. Like while drawing a point A on the blackboard, the first question you can ask is, what is this? The expected answer from the students would be, it is a point. Now in brackets you will write, while drawing one more point B, what is this? Answer would be, this is also a point. Now in brackets, while joining 2 points A and B, your question is, what is this? Answer would be, this is a line AB. Now again in brackets you will write, while drawing a line B to C, what is this angle called? Answer would be, this is a right angle, that is 90 degree. Now in brackets you will write, while drawing a line from A to C, question is, what is this figure called? The expected answer would be, it is a right angled triangle. Next question, what is a Pythagoras theorem? Now this question would be problematic for the students because they haven't studied it earlier. Then you will introduce your topic by giving statement of aim, that is, today we shall study about or we will know about Pythagoras theorem. Now how will you present it in your group where you will be the teacher and rest of the 5 or 6 pupil teachers would be your students? Now one thing I would like to mention is that as soon as you stand in the class to present your micro lesson plan, you should first write the main entries on the blackboard like this. You will leave the space in front of the word topic because you will write the topic after the statement of aim, that means after you have introduced your topic. If you will write your topic, then your students will already know the topic, that what their teacher is going to teach and what they are going to learn today, and as a result there will be no use of introduction skill. So you will write it later on. Now you will ask the question and your students will answer the questions. Now while drawing a point on the blackboard, you will ask, what is this? Students will answer, this is a point. Now you will draw one more point on the blackboard and ask, what is this? Students will answer, this is also a point. You will say, okay. Now if I will join these 2 points, what is this? Students will say, ma'am, this is a line AB. While drawing a line, you will say, if I will draw one horizontal line from B to C, then what is this angle called? Students will answer, it is a right angle 90 degree. Now while drawing one line from A to C, you will ask, what is this figure called? Students will answer, it is a triangle, and some will say it is a right angled triangle. Now you will say, yes, it is a right angled triangle ABC. Now, what is a Pythagoras theorem? Now this question would be problematic for the students and they would not be able to answer the question. When the students are unanswerable, now you will first answer the question, that is, Pythagoras theorem is a fundamental relation in between the three sides of a right angled triangle. It is basically used to find the length of an unknown side and the angle of a triangle. And today we shall study about Pythagoras theorem. After stating the topic, you will turn towards the blackboard and write the topic on the blackboard and underline it. Now after you have presented your lesson, your supervisor will give you rating on the basis of each component, somewhat like this. This is an example, and also he will give the remarks. Now according to this rating or remarks, you can evaluate your teaching and replan your micro lesson plan by making improvements in it.